Why do we celebrate Victoria Day? Canada is a monarchy. What is a monarchy? A monarchy is a country ruled by a king or queen. Today, Canada has a king. What is a king? A king is a male ruler of a country. Who is our king now? Our king's name is King Charles III. He is the king of the United Kingdom, but also of Canada and many other countries. For many years, being king or queen of Canada has been a ceremonial position. When Canada became a country in 1867, we had a queen. What is a queen? A queen is the female ruler of a country. Who was our queen in 1867? Her name was Queen Victoria. Canada was part of the British Empire. The British Queen was also the Queen of Canada. Queen Victoria was our queen for a long time. 1837 to 1901. She was born on May 24, 1819. Canadians first celebrated the Queen's birthday in 1845. Canadians still celebrate Queen Victoria's birthday on Victoria Day, May 24th.